Hey loves, today I am reviewing the Rosalind Gel Paint Pots from Wish and creating this beautiful blue and nude floral set. I purchased 7 Rosalind Gel Paint Pots off of the Wish app for $1.90 plus an additional $1 for shipping. For today's tutorial, I am using the BT Artbox full cover coffin nails along with the Kiss brush on nail glue. After removing the shine from my nails, I am applying the Model 1's base coat and curing for 30 seconds. Today I am using shade 840, this really gorgeous peachy nude color. To apply the gel paint, I will be using the Goldfinger No. 4 flat top acrylic brush that I purchased for $1 from the beauty supply store. 840 is so beautiful, and this brush made it really easy to apply. It was rather sheer with only one coat, so I ended up applying 3 for maximum opacity. For my 2 remaining nails, I will be using the Beetles Gel Polish in the shade 131. It is a really pretty light blue, and it is a part of their pastel collection. I applied 2 coats of this polish, curing for 60 seconds for each layer. I will be applying these decals to the nude nails. There will be a link down below in the description. I am sealing those decals in with my Model 1's No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. Time for my favorite part of doing my nails, which is the bling. This is the Swarovski size 12 colored value mix, and I purchased this on Daily Charm. To adhere my crystals, I am first applying the Gadget's Entrepot Rhinestone glue. Now I am applying the Model 1's No Wipe top coat. For the blue nails, I am using the Swarovski AB crystals. as well as these teardrop flatback rhinestones that I purchased on the Wish app. To finish up, I am applying the NCLA So Rich Pumpkin Spice Cuticle Oil. This might just be my favorite set that I have ever done, and I usually don't gravitate towards blue, but this set is amazing. I love the blue and nude combination and the varying shades between the water decals, the gel polish, and the different shades of blue crystals. This set is gorgeous. I love it. Now for my final thoughts on the Rosalind Gel Paint Pots. The colors are pretty, but most of the corresponding labels are not the same shade, which can be deceiving, especially because you're ordering them online. Shades 840 and 921 were the most opaque. Shades 891, 897, 926, and 929 were still see-through after 3 coats. And 928 is a jelly glass polish. Overall, for the price, they are good, especially the nude shades. But as far as the darker tones are concerned, I'd be a little wary when looking at the swatch pictures on the website. These nails are so super blingy. They are beautiful, especially when I was outside getting these clips and taking my thumbnail picture. The way the sun hit the crystals, amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Everything that I used will be down below in the description. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you thought of today's video. I love talking to y'all. And until next time, bye loves!